Yes, Melvin, I'm going to speak on MB. I'm going to solve actual CAT questions. Okay, can everyone? Okay, so I believe we're good to start the session. It's sharp 7:05. Without wasting much of the time, we'll start the session. Okay, so the objective here, this is entirely the objective is to solve actual CAT questions. Okay, when you talk about solving actual CAT questions, understand guys, arithmetic is going to be the most important chapter. Okay, again, as I told you, 35 to 45%. Okay, 35 to 45% of the entire paper that's going to come in this year's CAT. Okay, it's going to be an arithmetic dominated question. Okay, so what's going to be extremely important in this paper is you do not miss out on these topics. So although preparing on for CAT 2022, you guys should remember that whenever we study arithmetic, it's going to be arithmetic has to be an extremely focused area, because again, when you talk about solving actual CAT question as well as basics, you will also understand about how important basics is while solving arithmetic questions. Okay, so all those people who are preparing for CAT 21, the chapters like percentages, profit and loss, averages, simple interest, compound interest, ratio and proportion, time and work, time, speed, distance. Okay, these are something which is by hook or crook has to be done. Okay, and this is going to be extremely important. Clear, guys? Quick yes or no? And guys, what I want is I want this session to be extremely interactive session. Okay, so I want everyone to be extremely active on your chat box. Now, when you see this screen, can everyone see the screen over here?
Yes, we can see this.
So what do you see? In every shot, you see this. So this color denominates your arithmetic part. So see, every CAT 20, 16, slot 1, slot 2, 17, 18, 19. Okay, every of this slot. Okay, this is something which has been extremely dominating factor. Okay, so even though the reason I've got about 16, 17, 18 is because 19, 20, so everyone knew that arithmetic was going to be a dominant section, but also before that, okay, arithmetic has been an extremely crucial question in getting students into the 99 percentile. So any student who comes up and tells me that sir 99 percentile lana hai, but arithmetic is something which I'm not comfortable with, I'm extremely sorry. It looks a very tough task then. Okay, you asked me in terms of theta questions. Theta question is important because the questions that you're going to have in arithmetic, okay, there is a very high probability that these are all theta questions. So, theta questions. Theta questions are typed in the answer. Where you do not have any answers to it, but again, or where you do not have any options to it, but again, the biggest advantage is there is no negative marking. Can you hear me now? I believe I am unmuted. Perfect. Again, everyone knows that 28th November is the exam. It's a 120 minutes exam. So, okay, we'll quickly come on to some of the questions. Okay. So we're going to solve actual CAT questions. Okay, guys. I'll start with some of the easy questions first. If I have to start with this in terms of, okay, if I have to select one question. Okay. First question on your screen, guys. First question on your screen. So please tell us some important topics of it. Okay, guys, 1 hour straight I'm gonna only share solve questions. The objective behind this is to make sure that you guys have the best approach behind it, and post that we'll have a discussion. Okay. So guys, first question on the screen for you guys. So how are we going to do is, I'm going to give you 60 odd seconds for you guys to first solve it. If you're not able to solve it, then I'm going to solve the question. So the question reads, Meena scores 40% in an examination, but after review, even though her score has increased by 50%, she fails by 35 marks. If her post review score is increased by 20%, she will have 7 marks more. The percentage score needed to pass the examination is, so option 1 is 60%, option 2 is 75, option 3 is 80, and option 4 is 70. I'll give you 60 seconds, guys. This is an actual CAT 2020 question. Okay, all the questions, again, there are two objectives. All the one first objective is to give you a reality check ki what level of questions are going to come. Okay, and second is to give everyone the answers. Okay, so I've got one answer from Deep. Okay, let's see. Guys, you can see the screen. Are you able to see the question?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Yes, Mansi, I'll help you with that. Don't worry. Okay. So I've got 3 different answers till now. Perfect, perfect. Let's see, let's see. I want maximum people to try. I'll wait for 30 odd seconds more. I want maximum people to try and give me the best answer. Yes, Shivani will work onto this. Okay. Any quick answers, guys? Last 10 seconds. Anyone who wants to post their answers? Perfect, perfect. And see guys, नहीं आता accept करेंगे, discuss करेंगे, solve करेंगे, ठीक है? So how many people have found this question actually to be a difficult question? So people who think this question is a bit tough, can you just type in me? Perfect, perfect. Sunny, perfect. Okay. No worries. Huh? Difficult लग रहा है तो कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. We'll solve this. Don't worry. Just a minute, guys. Okay. So the correct answer to this is 70%. Someone who has done a 70% answer. Can you tell me, guys, what approach did you guys use? The correct answer to this is 70. So can someone tell me quickly in terms of what approach did they use? So that I will just help you guys with the best approach which could have been solved. So as per me, if you ask me, guys, this is a question which does not require say more than 20 seconds. This is something which can be easily solved in 20 seconds. How do you solve in 20 seconds is something which I will help you to answer. Mohit says The answer was less than 10. Perfect, perfect. Very, very good approach, Mohit. Can my students avoid writing on the screen, please, guys? Okay, perfect. Okay, so I'll just read the question. Okay, what is written is Meena is someone who scores 40%. Correct? Meena has scored 40%. Correct? Now what happens that Meena has scored 40%, but she used the paper to review. Okay? And after review, even though her score has increased by 50%, बराबर मतलब score has increased by 50%, मतलब इसका 50%, 50% of 40 is what? How much? 50% of 40 is how much, guys? 20. बराबर. I want everyone to type and not just typical 2-3 students. Right? तो अभी क्या हो गया? अभी मैं 60% पे आया. ठीक है? Currently I am at 60%. But what is happening? Even after that, I am still failing by 35 marks. Correct? I am still 35 marks short. Correct? Now what? ठीक है? यहाँ तक सबको सारी चीजें समझी? ठीक है? I have solved till here. Is this all clear to you guys? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Now see, now read the later part of the question. If her post review score is increased by 20%, she will have 7 more marks than the passing. So 20% मतलब इसका वापस. Now 60 का 20% is how much? 60 का 20% is how much, guys?
30.
12. Correct? Perfect. So 60 का plus 12 मतलब कितना हो गया? 72%. So by 72%, ठीक है, she is just passing by 7 marks. Correct? She is just passing by 7 marks. Correct? On 72%. Correct? मतलब the close. अभी एक simple चीज, अब तुमको इतना, this is the common sense that you guys have to use over here. ठीक है? Now when it is written in the question that she is just passing by 7 marks. Correct? मतलब passing percentage is extremely close to 72. Correct? 60 is out directly. 75 is out because at 72 already she is passing. Correct? 72 already she is passing. Correct? So anything greater than 72 cannot be the exact passing percentage. Correct? 80 is again out. You are left with only one option, that is option number 4, 70. That is your answer. Have you guys understood the approach? Guys, yes or no? So again, okay, I for those who, for people who are asking me to see again, yeah, Aman, to answer your question, every question you do not need to solve by X, Y, and Z. Okay, there are some questions when you look at the question you should be able to understand. Simple. I will for everyone again. I will explain you guys. Okay, क्या simple दिया है? She scores 40% marks. ठीक है? 40% उसने लाया. Correct? 40% she scored in the examination. Now after review, her score increased by 50%. Correct? 50% of what she has already scored. Correct? She has scored 40%. तो 40% के अगर इसमें 50% इसका ऐड करूं, that means plus 20%. Correct? 40 का 50% is 20%. Correct? तो अभी I have reached at 60%. ठीक है? 60%. Correct? Now what they have written, if her post review score is again increased by 20%. ठीक है? मतलब इसका 20% पोस्ट रिव्यू स्कोर. करेक्ट? तो इसका 20% कितना होगा? 12. So 60 plus 12 gives me 72. Now when she scores 72%, this girl is just passing by 7 marks. Correct? That means the passing percentage is extremely close to 70, 72. Correct? Now if you see option 160, it is way far than 72 परसेंटेज. ठीक है, तो ये आउट. 75 एनीवेज आउट. 75 80 क्यों आउट? बिकॉज जब मैं बोल रहा हूँ मैं 72 परसेंटेज में ही ऑलरेडी पास हो रहा हूँ. करेक्ट. व्हेन आई एम ऑलरेडी पासिंग थ्रू 72 परसेंटेज. करेक्ट. देन व्हाट इज द नीड of having more percentage than this? What is asked in me, what is asked to me in the question, what is the exact percentage at which the student will pass? So the answer to that is going to be 70 percentage, which is the closest to 72, and that is the only option that you have. So if someone knows about how do you visualize the question, okay, so the entire strength of a student depends upon how strong he is in terms of visualizing the question, so that just looking at the question he'll be able to understand what to expect and what not. Clear, guys? Everyone? Quick yes or no? समझा? So for all those in the house who have learned something new, ठीक है? But see, what makes me proud if at the end of the day, if I am being able to, so I am helping you solve something which is something new, so it will make me proud always. So for all those people who have learned a new approach, type me. सर मेरे को मालूम पड़ा है कितने लोगों को एक्चुअली नया अप्रोच सीखने मिला है.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
So if this would have been a theta question, how would we have solved this?
Hello, can you just repeat it?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
So I am saying that if this question would have been a theta question, then what should be our approach? Like we can't use this method.
You can't use this method again. So again when it comes to say this is a kind, see there are two kind of question that usually comes in CAT. Okay, one are extremely close-ended questions with values. Okay, and there are one with open-ended question which always needs approximation. Okay, so when it comes to close-ended question, there is a very high scope of the question being a theta question where you will not require a smart approach, and where you will require a detailed analysis. Okay, so if I have to solve this by XYZ, it's gonna take me a lot more of time, and that could be a theta question. Okay, so if you want that the entire traditional approach, we can get it offline, because again there are a lot of questions which I will love to cover, but the objective of covering all the questions is just through this kind of similar sort of smart approaches. Okay, so a very valid question, we can get it immediately solved after the class.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Perfect. Okay, next question on your screen, guys. Just one request, guys, please avoid writing on the screen. Okay, if my backend team can just clear about what's written on the screen, that is 1 and 40. Okay, guys, another question. ठीक है, मेरे को ना ये नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को यही सिंपल एक ही बात चाहिए. I just want this to be solved by extremely smart approach. Whoever gets an answer, quickly type yes or no in the chat box. If you want to give an answer, feel free. But my entire objective is how smartly you can solve this question. Okay, there are 3-4 people who have given me an answer. I'll just wait for 60 more seconds, guys. I want everyone to answer this question. Okay. I've seen a lot of people giving me an answer. Acha. So if you can guys, someone can quickly type in the chat box about what ideal approach did they use. Did they use the long calculation method, or were they smart enough in just looking at the question, getting the answer right? And how many people could actually solve this question without using a pen? How many people actually tried to solve this without pen, just looking at the question and answering? Again guys, this is an extremely important cat 29 question which has already been asked couple of times. So you understand, again, for all those people who have an extremely different perspective towards cat is going to be extremely tough. I am already weak in quants, correct? So you, when you see these type of questions, these are actually quite picked questions. Okay, these are not even, I have not even changed the name of the people. I have not even changed the numbers. These are actually handpicked cat questions. So you need to understand that it's going to be extremely important about you have that extremely positive mindset when you sit on the final day. Because when you look at these questions, a simple person, there are a lot of students who usually think, यार इतना easy question कैसे आ सकते हैं CAT में, ठीक है? So now what happens with them is they usually tend to have an overthinking perspective, right? Which again destroys their answers. Okay? So if anyone can tell me someone who did not use a pen for this. Acha, so I'll just explain you in terms of how can you solve this without using a pen. Okay? How much money have they invested? They have invested money in the ratio of 3:4:5. Okay? So for explaining right now, guys, I'm using a pen. Okay? But then I will tell you in terms of how could you just look at the question and answer, because I cannot directly explain you by just looking at the question, because this is an online session and not an offline session. Okay? So ये उनका money invested था, right? This is the capital invested, right? Now when you talk about interest rates, again the ratio is 6:5:4, correct? अब returns उनको, correct, returns उनको obviously इसी के ratio में आने वाला है. So 6 3s are 18:20:20, correct? Because again if you say you have invested 30 40 50 rupees, correct, with 6%, 5% and 4%, this is going to be your returns, correct? That is the reason I have multiplied. Everyone in the house, have you guys understood the reason about why I have multiplied and why I have got this ratio of 18:20:20? Samarth, if correct, Samarth, extremely. So again, guys, understand your returns are directly proportional to your interest rates and fixed deposits, correct? If you tell me in terms of Sahil sir, I have 1,000 rupees fixed deposit giving me 5% rate of interest, correct? And someone has a 2,000 rupees fixed deposit with another 5% rate of interest, right? So what I'll do just 5% of 1,000 and I'll do 5% of 2,000, correct? So it's nothing but multiplying, correct? Why I'm directly able to multiply that? Because that's clearly given me in terms of numerical values and my interest rate is given in terms of percentage, correct? But what happens in this given question, everything is given in terms of ratio. Okay, अब ये 3:5:4 को you can assume as 3 rupees, 4 rupees, 5 rupees as well, correct? You, in the other ways, if I have to say, you can assume 15 rupees, 20 rupees and 25 rupees, correct? Or even someone can have another thought process which says 30, 40, 50, correct? So you do not know the exact value, correct? So what is going to be extremely important, you multiply it, because both are in terms of ratios, correct? Now this is the returns which you're going to get, correct? Acha, now the smart approach comes into picture. Okay, now clearly listen, guys. What is return? Okay, this is nothing but this is Amla, this is Beena, and this is Gauri. Samarth, their returns is not amount, correct? This returns is not amount. This returns is again ratio, correct? Because हमको फिक्स डिपॉजिट का वैल्यू दिया है नहीं, हमको रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट परसेंटेज में है, किसमें है दिया है नहीं, correct? Question given to fixed deposit is given in terms of ratio. Interest rate is given in terms of ratio. My returns which I've got is also in terms of ratio, correct? Up it is 18:20:20, correct? Now Bina's income, well, Bina's returns exceeds Amla by how much? 250, करेक्ट। अब इन दोनों का डिफरेंस कितना है? 20 माइनस 18 करूंगा तो मैं डिफरेंस कितना है मेरा? एवरीवन इन द हाउस गाइस, करेक्ट। तो 2 इज नथिंग बट मेरा 250, समझ रहे हो कैसा? माई टू रेशियो इक्वल्स टू 250 रुपीज। कैसे समझा? बिकॉज इन दोनों का डिफरेंस इन टर्म्स ऑफ रेशियो इज हाउ मच? 2, बराबर। एंड क्वेश्चन में दिया देखो, बीनास इंटरेस्ट इनकम एक्सीड्स आमलास बाय 250 रुपीज, करेक्ट, करेक्ट। सो माई टू रेशियो इज इक्वल्स टू 250 रुपीज, करेक्ट। तो अब मेरे को बीना का फाइंड करना है, तो बीना का कितना है? 20, तो 20 इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? 2500। So Bina is 22,500. Gauri is how much? Gauri का रेशियो का कितना है? पार्ट 20, मतलब सेम 2,500, ठीक है। और आमला, how much has आमला? आमला has 18 parts. 18 part is nothing but 2250, correct? So when you add all this, that gives you nothing but 7250, which is your final answer. Clear guys? अब इसमें कैसे था पता है? now if you ask me in terms of how am I going to solve this question directly looking, ठीक है। मेरे को दिख गया 3 4 5 6 5 4, मतलब 18 20 20, ठीक है। if I knew this concept beforehand while solving, what I'll do is just look at the question 18 20 20, ठीक है। अब मैं देखूंगा कि यार डिफरेंस कितना है? 2 का डिफरेंस है, बराबर। there is 2 का डिफरेंस, करेक्ट। 2 का डिफरेंस इज नथिंग बट 250. So my 20 is how much? 2,500, 2,500, 2,500, 2,250. 7,250 is my answer. Omkar, I agree. You can do that way also, but my entire objective is to how do I avoid intense calculation? How do you just look at the question and get the answer? Clear, guys? Yes, no? Quickly, guys. See, again, there are 100 or more than 100 students here. Okay, I want everyone to give an answer. Yash, Ritik, Surbhi. Perfect. So guys, the entire objective is this. These are actual CAT questions. What I'm doing, I'm giving you another perspective which is clearly about extremely easy questions, guys. Actual CAT handpicked questions. Okay, we'll quickly move to the next question. If I have to give you, yeah, next question on your screen, guys. I'll give you 60 odd seconds. You can try. Yes, Deep, you'll get recording for all the questions. Anyone has an answer, guys?
Sir, how can we get the recording of the lectures?
So all those who have not joined the WhatsApp group, okay? So I'll request my backend team to just post the link here so that these people can get notification of all the geometry and all the sessions lined up. Very good, perfect. Good, Anisha, good work. Ashani, I'm so sorry, Ashani. Others guys. Omkar says 20%. Samiksha says 20%. Okay, I just want everyone. I just want everyone to try it. Surabhi, sir, will there be a session on geometry and algebra too? Yes, Surabhi, we have planned a lot of sessions similar to this, where we'll solve actual geometry questions also. Correct. There are multiple sessions planned up for you guys. So there are already been sessions happening for logical reasoning, which has already happened. There are sessions which were explicitly for Snap workshop, Snap strategies. Again, we have another workshop, Snap workshop, which is lined up on 30th of this month itself. So for all this notification, guys, you need to follow our Instagram and the Facebook handle, where you will get all the notifications. So if my backend team, if you guys can just post the link of our social media handles, so all the students will get regular notifications regarding the same. Coming back to the question, guys, coming back to the question, again a theta question. Okay. So these are the kind of theta question where it's extremely close-ended question. You have direct data. Okay. Okay, I'll just give you more 60 seconds because I have more than 100 people on continuously. Okay, that's a very good sign that all are being continuously tuned in the lecture, which gives me a very clear idea that all are trying to solve this. Okay, again I will solve this question entirely without using pen. Okay, my objective over here is to teach you something which no one has taught you till now. Okay, तुमको ये chapter आता नहीं आता, that's not my lookout. My lookout is basically about how do I enhance your skills. Shreya, sir, will we get the PDF? Yes, Shreya, you guys will be getting the PDFs with relation to all the important arithmetic CAT questions.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
So as you mentioned that there was a seminar on Snap.
Correct.
So sir, there is an equivalent seminar for NMAT as well.
Yes, you have a session for NMAT also. So NMAT session is lined up next week.
Okay. So since this window has been started for NMAT.
Correct. So you just follow our Instagram handles for all the notifications. You will always have the link for all the registration for the workshop.
Like sir, they have like increased their difficulty level.
I know.
For quants, especially.
Correct. Okay. Aman gives me an extremely detailed answer, a very good approach, Aman. Okay. Last 30 seconds, guys, for you.
Sir.
Yeah, man.
Actually, sir, this time at CAT में मतलब sir less questions आएंगे comparatively sir 2020.
Correct.
तो सर मतलब इन द सेंस अप्रोच लगा सकते हैं कि अर्थमेटिक उतना ही ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट रहेगा कि सर कंपैरेटिवली अदर सेक्शंस.
करेक्ट.
तो सर क्या अमाउंट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस कितने आएंगे सर इस एग्जाम में इस बार?
करेक्ट. So guys, to answer Aman's question which you have asked, okay, Aman, a very good question. Okay, so last year what happened is usually CAT gives approximately around 1 minute 40 seconds to 1 minute 50 seconds to solve every question. Okay, but last year due to pandemic they were not able to manage the paper and the time per question had reduced to 1 minute 30 seconds. Okay, so this year what they have come up. So this year, when you talk in terms of quant section, you can expect approximately around 22-23 questions. Okay, that is what our edtech industry research says. Okay, but you can never predict IIM Ahmedabad, because something that is constant with IIM Ahmedabad and something that they love is the changes in the paper pattern. But as per the article that they had published in Times of India paper first page, so we all are predicting that there is approximately going to be around 22-23 questions this year. Okay, and the most important part is arithmetic. We can still expect around 8 to 9 questions on the final day. Okay, imagine 22 odd questions and straight away 8 to 9 questions from one single topic, that is arithmetic. So it's going to be an extremely dominant question. Again, when you see back in the 2015 when IIM Ahmedabad had set a paper, okay, arithmetic was almost 43% of the entire paper. Okay, because that is something which IIM Ahmedabad loves. Okay, am I someone who is in direct contact with IIM Ahmedabad? No. How do I give you these answers? It is only as per the trends and the patterns that we generate through the past year paper that IIM Ahmedabad has set. So as per the data, whatever the data suggests, yes, arithmetic is something which is going to be extremely important, and it's going to be an icebreaker for all the people who wish to get from the 85 percentile to the 98 percentile plus bracket. So it's going to be extremely important. Mansi, I'm targeting Snap is there any workshop on Snap? Mansi, we have a Snap workshop on 30th of this month. We also want to run a Snap crash course for the entire month of November. So anyone who is interested in terms of for all the other management entrance exams other than CAT, okay, we're going to also run a course which will include all the syllabus for the same.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, what can be expecting level of 3 sections by CAT, sir? 2021.
Okay, Aman, we'll just take this question after a couple of questions, okay? Because again, I just wish to cover lots and lots of questions in this session, okay? Okay, guys, ये question है in a class 60% of the students are girls and rest are boys, okay? There are 30 more girls than boys, okay? If 68% of the students, including 30 boys, pass an examination, so what is the percentage of girls who do not pass? Okay, perfect. Maheshwari, any class related to profile building? We already had one session related to profile building. We are going to plan another session on next weekend. Okay. Okay. This question, the first thing that should come to your mind, okay, is nothing but 60% are girls, correct? So when you talk, I'm trying to explain this about how do I visualize this and how do I not use pen, okay? Because I'm trying to avoid to use pen over here. But अगर फिर भी तुम्हें नहीं समझा तो मैं पेन से लिख के explain कर दूंगा, ठीक है? 60% are girls, correct? So remaining 40% are going to be boys, correct? अब difference कितना है दोनों में? 20% का, correct? And in terms of value कितना बोला? There are 30 more girls, correct? So this 20% guys is equal to 30, correct? मतलब 1% is nothing but 1.5, correct? अगर मेरा 1% is 1.5 तो 100% कितना? हाँ, एक बात हमेशा याद रखना, my total space, my total target is always going to be 100%, correct? So when that 100% is going to be 1% is 1.5, my 100% is going to be 150, correct? So 150 is my total space. अब मुझे समझा कि 90 गर्ल्स है, ठीक है? अब याद रखो 90 गर्ल्स है, 90 कैसा है? 150 का 60%. How do I be extremely smart in terms of calculation? 150 का 10% कितना? 15. अगर मेरे को 60% चाहिए तो मेरे को सिर्फ into 6 करना है, correct? So 15 into 6 how much? 90. So 90 are girls and 60 are guys, ठीक है? यहाँ तक सबको clear? Any doubts still here? Clear? Perfect. Acha, now if I see 68% of people have passed, ठीक है? अब सर आप तो बोल रहे हो ये बिना पेपर और पेन यूज किए बिना करना है, करेक्ट? तो सर हमें 68% कैलकुलेट कैसे करें, करेक्ट? दैट इज अ क्वेश्चन दैट माइट कम इन योर माइंड, many of you guys, correct? Now answer to this is nothing but 150 का 60% तो हमने अभी कैलकुलेट किया, करेक्ट? which is nothing but 90 और 10% ऐड करना है तो 15 ऐड करना पड़ेगा, तो 150 का 70% is nothing but 105, correct? You need to subtract 2%, correct? So 1% is 1.5, so 2% is going to be 3, correct? So 105 minus 3 gives you nothing but 102. Clear? Now out of 102 people who have passed the examination, the data given is 30 are guys, correct? So how many girls have passed? 72, correct? How did I come to 72? It's simple, 102 minus 30, that gives me 72, ठीक है? Now 72, अब क्वेश्चन में पूछा है पास कितने नहीं हुए, करेक्ट? अब टोटल गर्ल्स कितने थे? 90 थे, उसमें से हाउ मेनी पास्ड? 72. हाउ मेनी फेल्ड? 90 minus 72, 18, correct? Now 18 का I have to calculate percentage, how much it comes out of 90. So 18 upon 90 मेरे को कैलकुलेट करना है. 90 का 10% कितना? 9. 9 plus 9 is 18, डबल, मतलब 10 का डबल is 20%. So my answer to this is nothing but 20%. Clear, guys? Okay, did I use pen? No. Did I? Now just simple thing, guys. ये actual CAT का क्वेश्चन है, समझो. अगर actual CAT का भी क्वेश्चन तुम कब सॉल्व कर सकते हो? विजुअलाइजेशन से, when you are extremely smart by understanding what you look at the question and what answer do you get. ठीक है? You are looking at the question, you should be able to understand in terms of how. अच्छा सुरभि 150 कैसा है? करेक्ट? अच्छा सुरभि हमें क्या बोला है इसमें? मैं अभी एक बार लिख के भी समझाता हूं तुम्हें, ठीक है, what is given to me that 60% guys है and 40% 60% girls है and 40% guys है, correct? इन दोनों का डिफरेंस कितना बेटा? 20%, correct? This 20% is nothing but 30. ये अगर तुम पूछोगे ये कहाँ से आया, ये देखो यहाँ पे लिखे there are 30 more girls than boys, correct? अब this 20% is equal to 30, correct? तो 100% is equals to what? 150. तो 150 टोटल है, तो ऐसे 150 है. Sir, will there be any geometric workshop? Yes, we are planning to have one geometry workshop. So all those people in the house, there are more than again 100 people. Okay, it's amazing to see that we are already almost onto the 46th minute of the session, and there is not even a single student who has left the session. That's extremely brilliant, guys. So all these people who wish to see geometry session, please type geometry. Sachin, you are asking me, sir, 18 by 150 क्यों नहीं? Correct? 18 by 150 क्यों नहीं? Because मुझे क्या पूछा है, how many percentage of girls have not passed? ठीक है? What is my comparison, बेटा? I'm comparing my comparison is with the total number of girls. ठीक है? My total number of girls are how much? 90. That is the reason I'm dividing 80 by 90 and not by 120. If the question asked to me would have been how many percentage, what is the total percentage of the total students did not pass, amongst them are girls. That is something which is, then it would have been 18 by 150. But यहाँ पे मुझे clearly दिया कि मेरा comparison है girls है, तो my total number of girls is nothing but 90. So 18 by 90 it gives me 20%. Aman, if you ask me, sir, Aman questions me, sir, in the exam, is arithmetic is greater than geometry or not, sir? See, Aman, I cannot directly predict in terms of what is going to come in the examination. But two things which you ask me, IIM Ahmedabad has loved in the past 2 years is geometry and arithmetic. Geometry, if you see, in last 4 years, when IIM Ahmedabad have not set the paper, the contribution of geometry to the math section has gone down. Okay? But again, if you ask me 2015, they had asked 4 to 5 questions. If you ask me back in the year 2009, when IIM Ahmedabad had again last had set the paper, again they had asked geometry. So if you ask me from an IIM Ahmedabad's perspective, they love geometry. If you ask me from the recent trends perspective, geometry has been a bit decreasing. But again, one thing that you need to know is IIM Ahmedabad loves changes. Okay? Change is the only constant factor with them. Okay? So we need to be prepared. तीर्थराज, if you ask me numbers नहीं किया तो चलेगा. 2015 में IIM Ahmedabad ने एक भी numbers का क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा. ये साल पूछ सकते हैं. You never know. We have to prepare for it. Guys, one thing we need to understand is every chapter. Okay, there are a lot of people who are asking me कि सर इसका ये chapter पढ़ूं, वो chapter पढ़ूं. Guys, one thing you remember, the only difference is gonna be when you come out of the examinations ना, सबसे ज्यादा हमें कब दुख होता है पता है? When we realized कि यार this was just a very sitter question, which we did not do. Why? Because हमने वो कभी chapter को touch ही नहीं किया. Imagine there is a question that comes from numbers, which is extremely simple, but I have not studied numbers ever in my life. Correct? So that is something which will hurt me the most. Correct? So I will never say do in the entire syllabus, but I will always say when you talk about basics, please make sure that you do basics from all the chapters. Correct? Okay. We'll quickly move to the next question. Yeah, next question on your screen, guys. Okay, I've got one answer. Okay, I'll wait for the entire time. Don't worry. Oh, yeah, 60 more seconds, guys. 60 more seconds. I'll give you 60 more seconds. Again, the same approach, guys. We will be extremely smart. Can we just try to solve this question without using pen? Okay, then let's try. Let's simply try. Okay. If not, नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, मैं definitely लिख के समझाऊंगा. But everyone, I want you again. This is the actual CAT 2018 question. ठीक है? Yes, very good, yes. Hundred odd students. I'm getting answers from 20-25 students. I'll just wait for more. 30
Excuse me,
seconds.
sir.
What I want. I want maximum students to participate.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
So I have just asked a question on chat box. right?
Okay. Can you just ask me again because there are a lot of chats?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes. So before CAT exam, how many questions should we practice from each and every section? Like, can you give a brief classification, like which chapter will be like more important and how many questions to be solved?
So if I have to answer this question precisely, there cannot be a number to this. Okay, I cannot say कि इतने questions करके जाना है. ठीक है? Because if you ask me, if you give me a question from geometry, ठीक है? I need more questions to practice. If you give me 10 questions from PNC probability, I'll be extremely good with it. Because it all depends upon your personal strengths. Okay, it all depends upon your customized strategies about how are you gonna build with it. Okay, so it all depends upon that. So ideally, do basics for all the chapters. That is mandatory. Without doing basics, you cannot step into the examination. But again, the number of questions totally depends upon the individual strengths. So for
As we have seen the trend that the question type doesn't get repeated.
correct. So the first mandatory thing that you have to do is solve past 5 years CAT papers. Each and every question.
Okay, so we'll get a taste of CAT, like how.
Correct. So guys, coming back to this question, the income of Amla is 20% more than Bimla. ठीक है? तो मेरे दिमाग में सबसे first चीज आएगा, ठीक है? Rather than using these all words, I will use A, B, and K. Correct? So the first thing that comes to my mind is B is 100, A is 120. Clear? ये समझा? यहाँ तक किसी को डाउट? कैसे आया? Everyone clear till here?
Yes, sir.
So A is gonna be everyone clear, guys? Can I have more responses in the chat box, please?
Yes, sir.
I'm someone who loves to interact with people. I want every student of mine in this session to be reciprocative to my questions. Okay, perfect. So A is going to be 120 for me, B is going to be 100, correct? अब मेरे को यहाँ क्या दिख रहा है कि A is 20% less than K, correct? So K मेरे दिमाग में सीधा 150 आ जाएगा, because 150 का 20% is how much? 30. 150 minus 20 is going to be 120. Clear? So my A, B and K, ठीक है, is A is 120, B is 100 and K is 150, correct? Everyone has understood how has K become 150? Guys, yes, no? Perfect. So how has K become 150? ठीक है, perfect. Okay, for people who haven't understood, मैं बताता हूँ तुम्हें, ठीक है, मैं लिख के बताता हूँ. A, B, K. B 100 है, A 120 है, बराबर. ये कैसे है? Because it is 20% more than Bimla, correct? बराबर. अब क्या बोला है? अब A यहां से पढ़ो, and मतलब it is again continue talking about Amla only, ठीक है? A is 20% less than K, correct? So what is going to be K? If K is 150, तो इसका 10% कितना होता है? 15. 20% again 15. 15, 30. 150 minus 30 gives me nothing but 120, correct? So this is how K is 150, correct? बेटा तुम जो बोल रहे हो ना 144, what you are doing बेटा over here is you are adding 20% to this, correct? When the statement given is A is 20% bigger than this, तो तुम्हारा वो 20% आ सकता था. यहाँ पे ये less than that, less than ही, तो इसका 20% कम होना चाहिए, correct? So this is how we get 100, 120 and 150, correct? Now what is simple given? इसका 4% कम होता है K का. K का 4% is how much? K का 4% is how much, guys? Tell me. 6. अब ये कैसे आ? K का 10% 1% कितना आएगा? 1.5 आएगा, बराबर. 1.5 into 4, 15 4 the 60. अगर एक पॉइंट डालना है तो 6.0. सो ये 6 हो गया, ठीक है? तो ये मेरा 144 हो गया, ठीक है? नाउ बिमला's इनकम इज इंक्रीज बाय 10%, मतलब 100 का 10% इज 10, तो ये 110 हो गया, करेक्ट? नाउ इन दोनों का डिफरेंस कितना है? 34 अपॉन 110. द क्लोजेस्ट आंसर टू दिस इज 31. क्लियर गाइस? या मैं 150 का बताऊंगा, डो नॉट वरी अबाउट इट, ठीक है? बट अगेन माय ऑब्जेक्टिव इज आगे का समझा ये कैलकुलेशन, वो 150 कैसे है मैं बताऊंगा तुम्हें. ठीक, अब मुझे ये अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग, ठीक है? व्हाट इज रिटन ओवर हियर इज सी द स्टेटमेंट्स. यार रामनाथन, I'll do that. आमला इज 20% मोर देन बिमला, करेक्ट? तो इसके लिए क्या किया तुमने? बिमला को पहले 100 लिया, उसका 20% इंक्रीज किया, करेक्ट? यस और नो? करेक्ट, बराबर. तो अभी यहाँ पे क्या लिखे? आमला इज 20% लेस देन कमला. तो अगर ये मेरा 120 है आमला, करेक्ट, तो कमला कितना होना चाहिए? कमला हैज टू बी, इसका जो भी वैल्यू है, बराबर, इसका जो भी, सी देयर इज अ टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट टू दिस आल्सो, कि अगर ये 14 है तो उसका 150 होगा. देयर इज अ टेक्निकल माइंडसेट आल्सो बिहाइंड दिस, ठीक है? बट आई डू नॉट वांट टू गेट इनटू इट. आई वांट यू टू हैव द विजुअलाइजेशन लॉजिक बिहाइंड इट, करेक्ट? सो अभी यहाँ देखो, अभी ये मेरे को 20, इसका वैल्यू मेरे को 20% लोअर देन ये चाहिए, ठीक है? तो अगर मैं 140 लूंगा, ठीक है, तो 140 माइनस 20% कितना होता है? 14 14 28, बराबर. तो ये माइनस 28 इज इट इक्वल्स टू 120? नो, करेक्ट? तो 140 भी आउट. फिर मेरा नेक्स्ट रहेगा 150, 150 minus 30 इसका 20%. Is it 120? Yes, that is my answer. So 150 is my K.
सर 30 कैसे आया?
मैं तुम्हें वही बोल रहा हूँ ना, तुम्हें क्या बोल रहा है कि तुम्हें एग्जाम में क्या पूछा है कि अमला का जो भी इनकम है दैट इज 20% लेस देन कमला, करेक्ट?
यस सर.
बराबर. अब कमला का जो भी इनकम है उससे 20% लेस चाहिए तुम्हें, बराबर. अभी
यस सर.
अमला का 120 फिक्स हुआ, ठीक है, तो तुम उससे थोड़ा ऊपर का वैल्यूज में चेक करोगे, करेक्ट? तो तुम 140 में चेक करो, 140 में तुमने चेक किया, ठीक है, तो 140 माइनस 28 किया तो इट इज गोइंग लेस देन 120, मेरा 140 के ऊपर ही रहेगा जो भी वैल्यू है. तो सो के कमला का वैल्यू, उसके बाद मैं नेक्स्ट 150 देखता हूँ, ठीक है. 150 माइनस 30 कर रहा हूँ. अब तुम पूछ रहे हो 30 कैसे आया? 30 इज नथिंग बट 20% ऑफ कमला, समझ रहे हो? तो 30%
ओके सर आ गया.
150 तो 120 है, तो मेरा आंसर मैच है. करेक्ट गाइस?
यस सर.
Perfect. We'll quickly move on to एक मेरे को बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन लेना था. अच्छा हाँ, वन ऑफ टाइम एंड वर्क ऑल्सो. Okay, I got one answer. I'll just give you guys 60 more seconds, huh, guys. So what is, I'll just read the question for all those that are not able to understand. Anil can do a job in 20 days. Anil can do the alone job. Anil starts the job. After 3 days, Anil joins in. After a few more days, Bimal also join them together. They finish. If Bimal has done 10% of the job, in how many days was the job done? Okay. Okay, so for people saying 13, 14, can you guys give me the logic behind it about what approach did you guys use?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Can I explain?
Yeah.
So, sir, like Sunil and Anil, so we'll take the LCM. So LCM will be 40. So Sunil can do it like 1 unit per day, and Anil can do 2 units per day. And Bimal is doing 10% work, so 4 units he will be doing alone. So first 3 days Anil will be doing, so 3 days, and then in 10 days Anil, Sunil, and Bimal will be doing, so 13 days.
Okay, let's see. What about others, guys? Has everyone followed the same approach? Okay, I'll give you 30 more seconds, guys. Okay. ठीक है, ठीक है. Someone who is much more smart in using another approach than LCM. Okay. So how many people actually know the concept of fraction to percentage, guys? How many people? Can you just type me in the chat box of all those smart people who know concept of fraction to percentage? Yash, you there? Sunny, I know. Yeah, it's me only who has taught you. Okay. अच्छा ठीक है. So yeah, perfect. Yes. So yes, can you quickly tell me? अच्छा ठीक है. Now yes, I'm just giving you a quick recap about how in actual CAT questions also you can use the basic of concept. ठीक है. अच्छा, अनिल can do a job in 20 days, बराबर? तो वो एक दिन में कितना काम कर सकता है? मैं तुम्हें एक स्मार्ट अप्रोच बताता हूँ. एक दिन में कितना? 1/20. 1/20 is what percentage, guys? यश, परफेक्ट. तो मतलब क्या पता है, अनिल एक दिन में 5% काम कर सकता है. ठीक है. नाउ सुनील कैन डू द एंटायर वर्क इन 40 days. करेक्ट. इन वन डे हाउ मच परसेंटेज ऑफ वर्क कैन यू डू? 2.5%. बराबर. Yes, just understand in terms of how important it is to use the basic value. Right, this is something which we teach at Edvicon in the basic first lecture. ठीक है. हमेशा समझो ये बेसिक कितना इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जाम में आज रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है. ठीक है. इतना हो गया तुम्हारा. ठीक है. अभी क्या बोला? अनिल स्टार्ट्स टू वर्क, स्टार्ट्स द जॉब एंड आफ्टर 3 days सुनील जॉइंस हिम. ठीक है. अब 3 दिन तो अनिल ने अकेला ही काम किया, बराबर. इन 3 days अनिल वर्कड अलोन. Correct. So in 3 days, how much percentage of work did Anil complete? 15%. Perfect, guys. 15% काम खत्म किया उसने. Correct. अब क्या बोला है? And 10% तो बीमल ने कंप्लीट किया. Correct. बीमल ने 10% ऑफ जॉब कंप्लीट किया, बराबर. अब बचा कितना परसेंटेज? 75% काम बचा है. करेक्ट. ठीक है. अब इन दैट actually Alid is also working together. Sunil is also working together, and Bimal is Sania says she can't hear my voice. Yes, can you guys rest hear my voice? Perfect. Sania, I believe there is some network issues on your end. If possible, can you please resolve this thing? ठीक है. Now in terms, अब ये बात समझो. 15% तो अनिल ने अकेले कर लिया था. ठीक है. अब बच्चे के दिन अनिल, सुनील एंड ऑल दे वर्क टुगेदर. बीमल का भी अलग से उसका हिस्सा ही दे दिया. 10% goes to him. ठीक है. Now अनिल एंड सुनील is working together. ठीक है. They can work how much? 5% plus 2.5%. तो दोनों साथ में काम करेंगे तो 7.5% एक दिन में हो रहा है, बराबर. उनको करना कितना है? 75%. मतलब टोटल कितना? 10 days. ठीक है, एंड ये पहले के 3 दिन जो अनिल ने अकेले काम किए थे, करेक्ट, सो प्लस 3 days, so my answer to this is total 13 days.
सर
या
सर मैंने ऐसे करा था जैसे अनिल ने 1/20 एक 1 डे के अंदर वर्क करता है,
बराबर,
3/20 सर उसने 3 डेज के अंदर वर्क करा,
करेक्ट
रिमेनिंग सर 17/20 रह गया
करेक्ट।
सर
यार
उसमें
अमन,
से।
इसमें क्या हो रहा है पता है, इसमें ना अमन बहुत सारे कैलकुलेशन बढ़ते हैं, ठीक है।
Yes, sir.
मैं सिंपल परसेंटेज में देखता हूँ ना यार, बंदा 5% एक दिन में काम कर रहा है, तो 3 दिन में 15% काम हो गया मेरा। वो बीमल ने अलग से 10% काम कर दिया, कितना काम हो गया, 25% काम हो गया, बचा कितना 75%। अनिल और दोनों को साथ में मिलाऊंगा तो 5% और 2.5% का मेरा प्रोडक्टिविटी है, मतलब टोटल 7.5% हो गया। अब मेरा बचा कितना 75%, करेक्ट।
सर अपन वैसे भी तो कर सकते हैं ना, लेकिन जैसे 7 उसने
नहीं कर सकते, नो 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 क्वेश्चंस विद योर अप्रोच, योर अप्रोच इज एब्सोल्युटली परफेक्ट, बट अगेन माय ऑप्शन इज इफ देयर इज समथिंग व्हिच यू कैन वर्क, ठीक है, if there is something which you can work out just looking at the question, so the this is the very good approach other than LCM, but again
लेकिन
totally agree to your approach, with LCM you can get the answer.
सर एक चीज पूछना था,
हाँ
तो जैसे अगर अनिल ने 3/20 वर्क करा तो रिमेनिंग वर्क 17/20 रह गया, तो सर
करेक्ट,
जो इमन ने वर्क करा है 10%, वो 1/10 ही तो करा होगा ना।
नहीं नहीं हाँ, नहीं नहीं, तो उसमें कैसा हो जाए, अब तू 20% बोलेगा, अब तो तू पूरा 1/20 ले रहा है, करेक्ट,
नहीं सर
1/20 ले,
1/10 मतलब बीमल ने 10% ऑफ जॉब करा तो वर्क अपन
करेक्ट,
1 मानते तो।
तो पूरा उसने पूरा परसेंट ऑफ पूरा जॉब किया 10%, 10% ऑफ द एंटायर जॉब,
हाँ तो
करेक्ट।
सर 1 होती है ना जॉब, तो जैसे अपन वर्क तो
नहीं
1
तो
लेते हैं।
2/20 आएगा ना, 1/10 आएगा, करेक्ट,
हाँ सर,
10% जॉब आएगा,
हाँ
करेक्ट।
1/10
अब
ही
अब
आएगा
सुन,
सर।
अब तू दिक्कत किधर कर रहा है, तू बोल रहा है कि 1/20 सुनील ने काम किया, करेक्ट, 3 दिन
सर
सुनील ने काम किया, मतलब 3/20 हुआ, तो बचा
यस
तेरा
सर,
17/20, उसमें से तू
यस सर,
कंपेयर करने जा रहा है बीमल के साथ, करेक्ट।
यस सर।
But what is happening? You are forgetting the point over here, which says that after 3 days, they all started working together. So the LCM productivity changes. The
Yes, sir.
the LCM which you're talking about right now is only and only Anil based, which is completely acceptable for the first 3 days. Agreed. 3/20 you're done. Very smart enough. Perfect. What about the
Yes,
rest? Rest comes total into picture. Correct. So that is how you have to look at the entire whole perspective when multiple people join into it. Clear?
okay, sir.
Perfect. I'll give you one more question, guys. Yeah, next question on your screen. I'll give you 60 to 120 seconds, guys. This. Okay, I've got multiple answers. Yes, can you try this?
एक आदमी बहुत पैसा बनाया है ऐसा संपर्क कर करके।
Okay. There are a couple of answers I'm getting. I'll give you guys time. Okay. Again, same approach, guys. I want to solve this without using pen paper. Any answers, guys? Okay, last 20 seconds. How many of you can actually solve this question without using a pen? How can you just type me for all those people who have tried to solve this without using a pen? Yeah, we'll see. अच्छा ठीक है. ठीक है. I'll solve this question. Yes, guys. The salaries of Ramesh, Ganesh and Rajesh were in the ratio of 6:5:7. Correct? अब मैं मानूंगा कि this ratio 6:5:7 is nothing but 60, 50, 70 in terms of value. I am assuming this. सर आपने ये कैसे किया? assume किया. ठीक है? ओके. आगे जाके रेशियो 3:4:3 हुआ. ठीक है. 2010 में 6:5:7 था. अब रमेश की सैलरी 25% से इंक्रीज हुई. बराबर. अब 25% से उसकी सैलरी इंक्रीज हुई. पहले कितनी थी? 60 थी. 60 का 25% कितना बेटा? हाउ मच इज 60 का 25%? 60 का 25% is how much, guys? $150 कैसा? 15. करेक्ट. अगर 25% निकालना है नथिंग बट 1/4. 1/4 into 60 is कितना? 4 6 15 या 60. करेक्ट. सो 15. अब उतना ऐड कर लो 60 में कितना हो गया? 75. अब रेशियो क्या है? 3:4:3. बराबर. अब 75 को अगर मैं 3 से डिवाइड करूँ तो कौन से टेबल में आता है? 25. तो 25 3 जा 75. तो 75 100 और 75 ये मेरा न्यू न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यूज आ गया. ये समझा? 75 100 75 कैसे आया? एवरीवन हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस?
सर एक बार वापस समझा दो.
ओके. मैं कह रहा हूँ. ठीक है, मैं लिख के समझाता हूँ. ठीक है, दैट विल हेल्प यू गाइस इन बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. नाउ इफ आई टेल यू गाइस, ठीक है, मेरा 2010 में 60 रुपया, 50 रुपया एंड 70 रुपीज थे. ठीक है, दिस वाज बैक इन द ईयर 2010. अब 2015 में क्या हुआ? दिस इज रमेश, दिस इज गणेश एंड दिस इज राजेश. ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड इन दिस इज 25% इंक्रीज ईयर. तो इसका 25% इंक्रीज मतलब कितना होगा? 75. अब इसका रेशियो क्या है? 3:4:3. ठीक है, तो ये कितना था? 3 कितना था? 75 25 था. बराबर. 3 into 25. अब इसको मैं अगर 25 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो ऑब्वियसली इसको भी करूंगा, इसको भी करूंगा. बराबर. तो ये कितना है? 100. ये कितना है? 75. अब क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है? राजेश की सैलरी कितनी चेंज हुई? करेक्ट. द डिफरेंस इज व्हाट? 5 का डिफरेंस. एंड हाउ डू यू कैलकुलेट द परसेंटेज? 5 divided by 70. द क्लोजेस्ट आंसर इज 7. द आंसर इज 7. क्लियर?
यस सर.
क्लियर गाइस? गाइस दीस आर एक्चुअल कैट क्वेश्चंस. ना मैंने मन के नहीं बनाए, ना मैंने
Sir.
नंबर्स भी चेंज किए, ना मैंने वर्ड्स भी चेंज किए. व्हाटएवर इट इज एक्चुअल कैट क्वेश्चंस.
सर.
हाँ
सर इसको अपन वैसे भी तो कर सकते हैं, मतलब जैसे अगर अपन ने 2010 में रमेश गणेश राजेश की सैलरी 6 के 5 के 7 के अज्यूम कर लिया,
बराबर
और सर 15 के अंदर उनकी 3x 4x 3x लेट कर लिया.
बराबर.
तो सर उसमें फिर ये कर सकते हैं ना कि जैसे जो अपन ने 2010 में 6 के लेट करा था उसमें उसका 25% प्लस कर दिया और वो 3x के इक्वल है,
करेक्ट.
तब वो k और x की वैल्यू है. सर वैसे आ नहीं रहा आंसर लेकिन.
नहीं तो उसमें वही बोल रहा ना, उसमें बहुत सारे कॉम्प्लिकेशन है, उसमें इतने इक्वेशंस इन्वॉल्व हो जाएंगे ना कि मुझे भी नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, जब मुझे
Sir,
डायरेक्टली दिख रहा है कि एक स्मार्ट अप्रोच है. ठीक है, ऑलवेज व्हेन यू व्हेनेवर देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन ना, अमन, ठीक है, ऑलवेज ट्राई टू हैव न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू assumption टू दिस, बिकॉज कैसे होता है बेटा, तो 60 अभी अभी कोई कहेगा फॉर एग्जांपल अरीशा टेल्स मी कि यार सर मेरे को 60 50 70 नहीं लेना है, मेरे को समझो 36 30 और 7 42 लेना है, ठीक है, तो मैं बोलूंगा यार सबसे वही आंसर आने वाला है, ठीक है,
Okay.
so whenever there is rational proportion का questions like this, always try to have a numerical value that is a round figure that will make your calculation way much easier.
Okay, sir.
अच्छा, सुरभि, if you are asking me to explain the last step, ठीक है, क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा बेटा कि राजेश की सैलरी कितनी इंक्रीज हुई, ठीक है, अभी ये भी याद रखो, हमेशा ना ये याद रखना, बहुत स्टूडेंट्स को कंफ्यूज होता है कि सर मैं डिवाइड बाय क्या करूंगा, ठीक है, या मैं डिवाइड बाय क्या करूंगी, ठीक है, तो ऑलवेज अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द कंपैरिजन वाला थिंग। नाउ व्हाट इज बीइंग आस्क्ड, राजेश की सैलरी कितनी इंक्रीज हुई है, करेक्ट, अब मैं इंक्रीज किससे कंपेयर करूंगा, मेरी जो पुरानी सैलरी थी उससे इंक्रीज करूंगा, अगर मैं बोलूंगा कल मैं 100 रुपए कमाता था, आज मैं 200 रुपए कमा रहा हूँ, तो माई डिफरेंस इज अबाउट हाउ मच 100, बट दिस 100 एडिशनल रुपीज with whom I will compare about my yesterday's salary, correct? What was my yesterday's salary? 100. So 100 divided by 100, that means I have grown by 100%. Clear? Now we are over here is the difference is how much? 5 rupees, correct? Now 5 divided by what? इसकी last salary कितनी थी? 70. So 5 divided by 70, that gives me a closest answer of 7%. Clear, guys? Perfect. Okay. Let's do. Okay. Try to do this. Okay. A lot of people giving me an answer. I'll wait. I'll wait for more 60 seconds. No worries, guys. I want maximum people to participate. Okay, in an examination, A score was 10% less than B. The score of B was 25% more than C, and the score of C was 20% less than D. My God, बाप रे, मैं खुद कंफ्यूज हो गया पढ़ के. Let's see. A 72 था, बराबर. अब A का 10% लेस देन B था, मतलब अगर B 80 रहेगा तो ही इसका 10% लेस 72 होगा, बराबर. तो B 80 कैसे है, सबको समझा? B 80 कैसे है, सबको समझा बेटा? यस नो? ठीक है, अब B स्कोर वाज 25% मोर देन C, इसका 25% कितना आएगा? 1/4 मतलब 20, तो C मेरा हो गया 60. Correct? Yes, no, guys. And the score of C was 20% less than D. तो C was D कितना होगा फिर? बताओ. बताओ. Okay, okay. Let's see. Let's see. C64 होना चाहिए. Others. So there are two people, one who are agreeing with me and one who are saying C is going to be 64. Perfect. So I did it purposely wrong. क्यों? ये 85% of the students are going to do this mistake on the final day. Same. इसलिए मेरे को highlight करना था. ठीक है? क्या लिखा है? The score of B is 25% more than C. मतलब B 25% more मतलब 125% is nothing but 80. तुम 100 calculate करो cross multiply करके. You will get this nothing but 64. Correct? But guys, please make sure you read all these statements very carefully, because this is अभी मैं यही 60 लेता ना, मेरा आंसर पूरा गलत आ जाता. Correct? That is the reason it is extremely important about how do you read numbers, how do you read each and every word. So my actual C is not 60, but it is 64. Clear guys? Yes or no? समझा सबको? Perfect. तो C is 64. तो मेरा D कितना होना चाहिए? 80. तो 80 minus 20% करूंगा तो मेरा आंसर आएगा 64. So my D is nothing but 80. Clear guys? So we'll do the one last question. We'll do the one last question for the day. Abhishek, I'll repeat, don't worry, I'll do after this question. Okay, you guys have 60 seconds to do on this question. Nishta, yes, I'll definitely share all the questions. Okay, I've got 3-4 answers.
एक मिनट पहले निकलना. अरे वो पागल होगा.
Guys, I'll request everyone to please go on mute. Mukesh purchased 10 bicycles in the year 2017. All at the same price. He sold 6 of them at a profit of 25% and remaining at a loss of, and remaining 4 at a loss of 25%. Still, he made a total profit of 2,000 rupees. The purchase price of the cycle was what? ठीक है. Can someone tell me how did you go? Checked all the options. Okay. What about others? Okay. Is there anyone who did not use pen and just visualized it and कुछ दिमाग में thought process click हुआ? Hemnath, very good. I'll just request my backend team to again share the links of my Instagram and Facebook so that everyone can get all the notifications for the upcoming workshops along with links. As well as please share the WhatsApp group link so that students can join in. ठीक है guys, मैं बताऊं? Or you want time? More time or can I give you a very smart approach जिससे 1 मिनट के अंदर आंसर आएगा, तो मैं पेन कुछ यूज करने का नीड ही नहीं है.
सर आप एक्सप्लेन कर दो.
ठीक है. I will also try to explain, help you guys if this was a theta question, because I see a lot of students have solved this using option. So can you tell me, Aman, how many students have tried to solve this using an option method, guys? Quick yes or no? Option कितने लोगों ने option किया? Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, 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 yes, yes. अच्छा ठीक है. Okay, cool. चलो quickly back to the screen. ठीक है. चार बाइक 25% प्रॉफिट में बेची, 4 बाइक 25% लॉस में बेची. करेक्ट. ये मेरा सेट ऑफ हो गया. मुझे इनसे लेना देना ही नहीं है. ठीक है. बिकॉज अगर मेरा प्राइस सेम है तो मेरा प्रॉफिट भी सेम, मेरा लॉस भी सेम, मुझे मतलब ही नहीं है. ठीक है. 8 बाइक मेरी ऐसी चली गई. बाइक ही है ना, नहीं सॉरी बाइसिकल है. करेक्ट. 8 बाइसिकल मेरी ऐसी चली गई. ठीक है. Clear. Now my remaining is 2 bicycles. Now that 2 bicycles are giving me a total profit of 2000 rupees. Correct. At 25%. Correct. मतलब 1 bicycle is giving me profit of ₹1000 at 25%. Correct. मतलब मेरी प्राइस कितनी होनी चाहिए? 4000 होनी चाहिए. 4000 का 25% is 1000 rupees. Correct. बाकी किसी का भी 25% is 1000 rupees नहीं हो सकता. Correct. So my answer is straight away 4000 rupees. Nothing else. No else discussion itself.
यस सर, इजी था.
सर ये इसमें ऐसे भी कर सकते थे ना, 6 को 0.25 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, -4 को 0.25 से.
करेक्ट अमन, करेक्ट. बट वो ये मैं ये बता रहा हूं अमन, ये सब टेक्निकल चीज है. तुम हर एक क्वेश्चन पे जो बातें कर रहे हो ना अमन, व्हाट इट शोज मी, पता है यू आर एक्सट्रीमली गुड विद योर टेक्निकल सेंस. ठीक है. बट अगेन इट्स एन वेरी एलोबरेटिव लॉन्ग मेथड. ठीक है. जब मैं अगर ये क्वेश्चन से मेरे को ये समझ में आ रहा है, इतना स्मार्ट लेकर हो सकता है, तो व्हाई नॉट.
ओके सर.
करेक्ट. ठीक है. ओके गाइस, we'll have the next 10 minutes. ठीक है. We'll have the next 10 minutes open for Q&A. ठीक है. So if anyone has any doubts with regards to the same, can have a Q&A for people who have who believe that all their doubts are answered. They can stop the meeting and we can meet in the upcoming lectures. Okay? for people who have lots and lots of doubts. So what about PDF? PDF will be shared. So my team, if you can just share the form link, okay? Backend link. Just a minute, guys. My team will be sharing the backend link. तो उसमें तुम्हारा email ID डाल दो. Immediately तुमको PDF मिल जाएगा. And all those CAT 2022 participants who are worried in terms of how do I prepare and how do I go through, or people who are worried in terms of कि other omits के लिए कुछ सर पढ़ने मिलेगा, ज्योमेट्री पढ़ने मिलेगा, कुछ कोर्स मिलेगा, ठीक है? तो I'll share my number. My number is 9833. My number is 9833533280. My number is 9833533280. ठीक है? You can give me you can drop me a text on WhatsApp saying any of your doubts, and I'll definitely get in touch with you guys. So Ramnath was continuously asking me in terms of GK, correct? So for GK, we provide specific GK notes, okay, through which there are a lot of questions that come every year. So in terms of GK, if you want to collaborate, if you want to help, I can definitely help you a number.
सर स्नैप में जीके आएगी?
Snap में GK निकाल दिया अभी. I've posted my number in the group. Snap में GK नहीं आएगी. So all those people who are interested, I have another workshop of Snap lined up on this month end. Okay, I have another. I have lots and lots of crash course products, very which are gonna run especially for Zart and Snap.
Okay, sir.
Amisha, yes, for NMAT, yes, we'll do it. So PDF link. I'll just have a word with my backend team. Just a minute. Just I mean, there's some. Can you share the link right now, because we cannot see the link shared at any given point of time. Yeah, so the link is being shared in a minute. उसमें मैंने सारे जितने भी CAT के PDF, yeah, so the link is over here. Just fill the feedback form. Have your so that we'll capture your email IDs and we can share the PDF with everyone. Kindly write in your name. Kindly write in your name the email ID. In your name, guys, in the name section, please write your email IDs. Mansi, you can just drop me a text. We can connect offline, because 40 days clear topics, but it's a very long discussion. DILR, please practice puzzles. Puzzles are only going to be something that's going to come in the examination. Any more doubts, guys? Yeah. I'll just request you guys to please have your email ID in the name section. And maybe all for all those who are, I already have an email ID capture also, so I'll be sharing you the document within a day. Snap में data sufficiency आने के prepare है, yes. आ सकते हैं मानसी. Points के लिए what are the important topic? Arithmetic, algebra, geometry की भी नहीं है. IIM अहमदाबाद के पेपर में नहीं जा सकते. ठीक है guys, चलो guys, it was really amazing catching up with you all on a Sunday evening. We will have lots and lots of such workshops tuned up for you guys. Okay, thank you for being an amazing audience, and I hope all of you guys attending the workshop have learned something new in today's workshop. Perfect.
सर नेक्स्ट वर्कशॉप कब होगी?
You guys, I'll just request you guys to follow the Instagram handle and the Facebook handle. All the updates with regards to notification will be there.
सर एक बार वो लिख दो ना आईडी.
For Instagram handle, you just type Edvic on Educare. EDVI. I'll just type in the chat box.
यस सर.